Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Verlinda from Make Money Online. Before that, we are going to my topic. Kindly click subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the video updates. If you have a time, kindly visit also my social media beside my cover photo like Twitter, Facebook, another website and Pinterest. Thank you. And now I can show you on how to get paid service sites online. That real $P. Before that, we are going. Okay, we are starting about get paid for your opinions today. Get paid to complete simple survey enjoy. And choose from thousands of high-paying service receive payments via PayPal, check or wire transfer, redeem exciting rewards and gadgets from Apple, Samsung and more. Here's how you can stake out your personal claim in our $8 million gold mine. $8 million is the amount our happy members have been paid to date, just for sharing their opinions with our panel of top companies. And now it's your turn to claim your piece of the action starting today. Made $30 on my first day. Being a fresh graduate and having lots of free time, I stumbled upon your site. When I was searching for work at home opportunities, good thing I did. Just on my first day of joining already made $30. Now I'm averaging close to $80 a day just filling out service. Chris Miller, Los Angeles, USA. Why join us? Goldopinions.com is the fast and easy way to make extra money online simply by sharing your opinions. We remove the hassle so you can focus on giving your opinions and getting rewarded. Tell us what you think about the products you use every day, or even try new ones before they hit store shelves. By joining goldopinions.com, you will get paid up to $5 for 10 to 15 minute survey. Get paid up to $30 per hour on focus group. And panels get paid up to $15 to $30 for 30 to 45 minute surveys. Get paid up to $50 for premium service, flexible working hours. Work when you want to work at home. Make money no matter where you are in the world. No experience needed to join. Companies value your opinions and will reward you for sharing them. What's better than taking service for money in your spare time? The more service you take, the more opportunities you'll have to collect points and redeem them for cash and other great rewards. Choose your reward in exchange for your opinions. Receive a via debit card and ATM and withdraw your earnings anywhere in the world. Minimum of $5 withdrawals and a maximum of 1,000 withdrawal per day. Get cash in exchange for your opinions. Up to $100 per survey. Get the latest Apple gadgets from earphones, chargers, and other accessories for participating on iOS Apple survey. Get free lunch or dinner in exchange for your opinions with our participating restaurants. Starbucks gift cards, and merchandise for caffeine-related service. Get sports merchandise from Nike, Adidas, Puma, and New Balance on sports and health-related service. Receive cash sent directly to your PayPal account, up to $100 per survey. $5 to $20 Amazon gift cards and e-voucher in exchange for 30 minutes to 1 hour survey. Receive free pet merchandise or cash from our pet-related panels and service. Get coupon codes up to 40% our partner online shops. Receive iTunes, Spotify gift cards by participating on our music service. Random gifts from participating panels such as mugs, power banks, USB drives, and other corporate giveaways. Watch movies for free. Receive movie voucher from participating in movie service. $25 and $50 Visa prepaid cards you can spend by participating on our group panels. Receive Walmart gift cards or online vouchers for participating on retail-related service. Free flights and free business class upgrades on travel-related service. Receive Disney passes or Disney-related merchandise. Receive Target gift cards or online vouchers by participating on retail-related service. Receive free games or gaming accessories by participating in gaming service. Receive a free subscription from Netflix by participating on our movie-related service. Receive cash paid to your bank account, wire transfer, or on earnings above $1,000. Samsung gadget and accessories. Receive cash and free apps by testing and answering apps-related service. Gets free accommodation and hotel vouchers by sharing travel-related service. How long does it take? Most users make money or redeem their first reward within 24 hours. Everyone earns at their own pace, so it's up to you. Why would anyone pay for my opinions? Your views are valuable to many leading brands. A successful company's most important consultant is you, the consumer. Companies rely on your feedback to produce new and improved products and services. GoldOpinions.com bridge the gap between your opinions and the companies who need them. You can earn cash and rewards for the time you spend taking online service. By being a member of GoldOpinions.com, you may find yourself taking paid online service about electronics, medicine, politics, sports, advertisements, appliances, or even what you ate for breakfast. How do you participate? Becoming a member is easy. Just click the Join Now button to start. Once membership is confirmed, you can start earning points and cash by completing online paid service anytime and anywhere via PC, laptop, tablet, cell phone, or mobile app. After accumulating a certain amount of points, members are able to redeem them for cash or items within our rewards catalog. Making money answering service is as easy. Number 1, choose job. 2, submit your work. And 3, get paid. Paid online survey benefits. No boss, no noisy alarm clocks, and definitely no schedules. You make your own decisions. There are no unrealistic deadlines and nobody telling you how much to work. You get to decide how much you work, part-time, full-time, or overtime. Earn up to $500 to $5,000 every month making a better. Then average income doing what you want when you want. Get out of the rat race today. You get to decide because you have the freedom of working for yourself. We aren't filthy rich, but we are sure enjoy what we do. We are normal people. We don't flaunt our money or dine expensively every night. We just enjoy ourselves and what we do. We have never released this information until now, and there has been an overwhelmingly successful response from it. Join now and start getting paid for your opinions today. Compared to another service sites that charge 30% commission fees. Your small monthly membership covers everything, meaning you keep all of what you have earned. So if you earn $1,000 per month, you keep the full $1,000, not just $700. This is the reason why members choose and make money with us. Here are some stories from other folks who just like you were. Once skeptical but are now true advocates of paid online service. Easy and hassle-free way to make money online. I have just registered with this site and straight away I was making money. It doesn't get any better than this. Thank you for taking out all the hassle and making money answering service. As easy as possible, even for non-tech-savvy guys like me. Joshua Curtis, United Kingdom. Making a living taking service at home. I had been a stay-at-home mom for almost 5 years. And I am so excited to be able to still stay home, take care of my children, and make a living taking service on my own computer. It's so easy to get started, and I plan to make enough money each week so that my husband can actually get his second job. Thank you so much. Kathleen Brown, Perth, Australia. Best service site online. $1,500 a month thanks to you guys. Without a doubt, the best paid service site online. I have made money from other service sites but made double or triple with goldopinions.com for the same time and effort. The variety and number of daily paid service I get from them is unmatched. A must for anyone looking for extra cash or a full-time income. Stephen Taylor, Toronto, Canada. Get a new iPhone 6 in just 7 days. Get a new iPhone 6 in just 7 days, completing service and offers. Now I'm just a few days away from completing and receiving my Samsung tablet. Highly recommended. Definitely the best service site out there. Peter Chang, Singapore. And much, much more. That's all guys for my video. Click the description below for more information and don't forget to press the subscribe button for updates about all the latest video of our channel. Press the bell icon and never miss a single notification from us. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.